I remember this one patient, a young woman battling a tough diagnosis. The fear in her eyes was palpable. As I sat with her, explaining the treatment plan, I could see the weight of the world on her shoulders. It wasn't just the medical jargon I was explaining, it was the human connection, the empathy in my eyes that told her, we're in this together. That day I realized something profound. Medicine is more than algorithms and procedures, it's about human connection. In an age of rapidly advancing technology, it's easy to wonder about the future of healthcare. Will robots replace doctors? Will AI diagnose illnesses? While technology plays a vital role, some things will always require a human touch. In this video, we'll explore healthcare careers where your empathy, critical thinking, and compassion can't be replaced by robots. If you're looking for a fulfilling career path where you can make a real difference in people's lives, you've come to the right place.
Let's talk about mental health, a field where human connection is paramount. As awareness grows, so does the demand for compassionate mental health professionals. We're talking about therapists, psychologists, social workers, the people who help us navigate the complexities of the human mind. Imagine being a therapist, sitting across from someone struggling with anxiety or depression. You listen intently, offering a safe space for them to share their deepest fears and vulnerabilities. You provide coping mechanisms, teach mindfulness techniques, and help them reframe negative thought patterns. Technology can offer apps and online resources, but it can never replace the power of human interaction in mental health. A therapist's ability to build rapport, interpret nonverbal cues, and tailor treatment plans to individual needs is irreplaceable. It's about understanding the nuances of human emotion, the subtle ways trauma manifests, and the power of genuine empathy and healing. These are skills that can't be programmed into a machine. If you're someone who finds solace in listening, offering support, and guiding others towards emotional well-being, a career in mental health might be your calling. The need for compassionate mental health professionals will only continue to grow, making this a future-proof career path with a profound impact on individuals and communities. Remember, behind every diagnosis is a human being with a story. Your empathy and understanding can be the guiding light that helps them find their way back to mental wellness. So, if you're passionate about making a difference in the lives of those struggling with mental health, explore the many rewarding career paths this field offers. Your compassion, combined with your education and training, can empower individuals to live healthier, happier lives.
Now let's shift our focus to those who provide direct patient care, particularly in geriatrics, a field where the human touch is essential. As our population ages, the demand for skilled and compassionate caregivers will continue to rise. We're talking about registered nurses, certified nursing assistants, and geriatric specialists. Imagine being a nurse in a long-term care facility. You're not just administering medication or checking vitals, you're becoming a part of your patients' lives. You learn their stories, their likes and dislikes, their fears and joys. You might be the one who holds their hand during a difficult procedure, or the one who patiently listens to stories from their past. Technology can assist with tasks, but it can never replace the warmth of a human touch.
If you find fulfillment in caring for others and have a passion for working with the elderly, then a career in patient care, particularly in geriatrics, might be the perfect fit for you. The need for compassionate caregivers will only continue to grow, making this a rewarding and future-proof career choice. You can be that source of comfort and support.
Let's talk about the incredible impact of rehabilitation specialists, the occupational therapists, physical therapists, and speech-language pathologists who help patients regain function and independence after illness or injury. Imagine working with a stroke patient who's lost mobility in their arm. You design personalized exercises, patiently guide them through each movement, and celebrate every milestone, no matter how small. Or picture yourself working with a child with autism, helping them develop communication skills and social interaction techniques. You create a safe and encouraging environment where they can learn and grow at their own pace. Rehabilitation is all about restoring hope and empowering patients to overcome challenges. It's about understanding the mechanics of the human body, the complexities of the brain, and the power of personalized care. While technology can provide tools and assistive devices, it can never replace the expertise and empathy of a skilled rehabilitation professional. The human touch is essential for assessing progress, adapting treatment plans, and providing the encouragement patients need to persevere. If you have a passion for helping others regain their independence, if you're fascinated by the human body and its ability to heal, and if you believe in the power of human connection, then a career in rehabilitation might be your calling. The demand for skilled rehabilitation professionals continues to grow, making this a rewarding and future-proof career path. Remember, every step a patient takes towards recovery is a testament to the dedication and compassion of their rehabilitation team. You can be a part of that incredible journey. So if you're ready to make a tangible difference in the lives of others, explore the many fulfilling careers available in the field of rehabilitation. Your skills and compassion can help patients regain their strength, their mobility, and their hope for a brighter future.
Let's talk about a field that requires immense compassion and empathy. Palliative and hospice care. These professionals provide comfort, support, and dignity to patients facing serious illness and end-of-life care. Imagine being a hospice nurse entering the home of a patient with a terminal illness. You're not there to cure, you're there to care. You provide pain management, offer emotional support, and ensure their final days are filled with peace and dignity. You might be the one who shares a favorite memory, or the one who simply sits in compassionate silence. Palliative and hospice care is about recognizing that even in the face of death, life deserves to be honored. It's about alleviating suffering, providing emotional support, and celebrating each individual's journey. If you possess a deep well of compassion and believe in the power of human connection, then a career in palliative or hospice care might be your calling. Remember, in the final chapter of life, human connection becomes more important than ever. So, if you're ready to embrace a career that touches lives in a profound way, explore the many rewarding opportunities available in palliative and hospice care.
Finally, let's talk about the cornerstone of healthcare, primary care physicians and general practitioners. While technology is changing the landscape of medicine, the human element remains irreplaceable in this field. Imagine being a family doctor, building long-term relationships with your patients. You see them for annual checkups, manage chronic conditions, and provide guidance on everything from nutrition to mental health. You're not just treating symptoms, you're getting to know your patients as individuals, understanding their lifestyles, their concerns, and their health goals. You're the one they trust to explain complex medical information in a way they can understand, the one they turn to for advice, and the one who celebrates their health victories alongside them. While AI can assist with diagnostics and routine tasks, it can never replace the nuanced judgment, empathy, and communication skills of a skilled primary care physician. Patients need someone who will listen to their concerns, answer their questions, and provide personalized care that considers their unique circumstances. If you have a passion for medicine, a genuine desire to help others, and a belief in the power of human connection, then a career as a primary care physician or general practitioner might be your calling. The demand for compassionate and dedicated primary care providers remains high, making this a rewarding and future-proof career path. Remember, at its core, medicine is about people caring for people. You can be that doctor who makes a real difference in the lives of your patients, guiding them towards better health and well-being. So, if you're ready to embark on a challenging yet incredibly fulfilling career, explore the many opportunities available in primary care medicine. Your knowledge, skills, and compassion can have a lasting impact on the lives of your patients, empowering them to live healthier, happier lives.
As we've explored these diverse healthcare careers, one thing remains clear: the human touch is irreplaceable. No matter how advanced technology becomes, it can never replicate the empathy, compassion, and understanding that we, as humans, bring to the table. If you're looking for a career that's both personally and professionally rewarding, a career where you can make a real difference in the lives of others, then healthcare might be the perfect fit for you. the need for compassionate, skilled, and dedicated healthcare professionals will only continue to grow, making these careers not just future-proof but future-essential. So take the leap, follow your passion, and join us in making the world a healthier and more compassionate place, one patient at a time.